Now today in the online class session of accountancy, I will explain you one more topic of the chapter company accounts issue of debentures, and that topic is consideration other than cash. Consideration means in exchange of, means here we are replacing cash and the cash is replaced by debentures. Company does so. The reason behind is deficiency of cash. The company is not having enough cash in order to pay off its liabilities. Okay. Till now I told you the journal entries of the same topic in company accounts issue of shares. The same type of questions are being repeated here, and the journal entries to be passed under this topic related to debentures already have been given in the notes. Now using those all the journal entries, we are going to solve the questions related to the same topic. Today I am explaining you the question number 10. Let us read the question. Golden Limited bought assets for rupees 5 crore 50 lakh. Bought means purchase. Assets are purchased means assets are increasing, and whenever assets increases are shown on the debit side as per the rules of debit and credit, keep in mind, and assume liabilities, and whenever the liabilities increases they are shown on the credit side. From Silver Limited, after Silver Limited, for cash is not written, means Silver Limited is the vendor of the company. Vendor means creditor. Two liabilities are here, 1 crore 26 lakh and 5 lakh 50, 5 crore 50 lakh minus 1 crore 26 lakh. Whatever amount will come, that amount will be shown in front of Silver Limited as an amount due to vendor Silver Limited. Right? See the journal entry now. Assets purchased will be shown on the debit side because assets are increasing 5 crore 50 lakh. Liabilities are increasing 1 crore 26 lakh to Silver Limited. The amount is 4 crore 24 lakh, which can be calculated by deducting debit from the credit side total, 5 crore 50 lakh minus 1 crore 26 lakh, because this amount is not mentioned in the question. Okay, right? Whatever we have done here in the journal entry, that is to be written as a narration within the brackets, purchase of assets and liabilities of Silver Limited. Okay. Now, secondly, what we need to do, we need to make payment to Silver Limited, as the company is not having enough cash to make payment to Silver Limited, and that's why the company is issuing debentures to Silver Limited in order to pay off its liabilities. Right? Total liability due is 4 crore 24 lakh from the vendor side. Okay. Now let us see how the debentures are issued. And issued 8% debentures of rupees 500 each. The company Golden Limited, in order to pay off liability to Silver Limited, it issued the debentures of face value 500 at a premium of 6%. This 6% premium will be calculated on the face value. 500 multiplied by 6%, 30 rupees. Okay. Means the debentures were issued at a price of 530. This is the issue price per debentures by Golden Limited to Silver Limited, the vendor of the company. Now here we need to calculate the number of debentures to be issued to Silver Limited by Golden Limited, and the formula to be used here is number of debentures to be issued is equal to amount due upon issue price per debenture. Amount due already we know 4 crore 24 lakh is the amount due. Okay, upon issue price, just now I told you issue price per debenture is 500 face value plus 30 rupees premium, 530 rupees. Okay, simplify it and get the answer. 80,000 debentures means 80,000 debentures will be issued to vendor Silver Limited. Now in the second generative we are going to issue debentures to Silver Limited, the vendor of the company, and resultantly the vendor or the creditor Silver Limited liability will decrease, and whenever liability decreases they are shown on the amount is shown on the debit side. Okay, the liabilities, all the liabilities are shown on the debit side. Okay, Silver Limited account, ठीक है, see the amount due 4 crore 24 lakh. The same amount will be shown here. See within the bracket what I have written. Amount due. Amount due to Silver Limited was 4 crore 24 lakh, and the same amount will be written here. To 8% debentures, the amount 4 crore can be calculated by using the formula number of debentures multiplied by face value. Number of debentures to be issued already we know 80,000. 80,000. Okay, 80,000 multiplied by face value of debentures, just now we read it. ठीक है, 500 was the face value of debenture FB 500. We will get the answer 4 crore. To securities premium reserve 24 lakh, and this amount can be calculated by following formula. Number of debentures multiplied by SPR. Number of debentures 80,000. Security premium, just now I showed the calculation of this SPR. 500 multiplied by 30 500 multiplied by 6%, that is 30 rupees. Okay, right. So this is the solution of the question number 10th. Okay, try to solve the preceding questions, okay, given in your book by DK Goyal, and if any query is there you can get the solution of that query, ask the questions, the problems will be solved. But keep in mind the time duration or the time limit mentioned in the class group for getting the solution of the query, and that time is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, right. After this time limit, after this duration, I can't help you. Okay, this I am telling you. The reason behind is some student ask questions me at 10:30 p.m. at 11 p.m. and in the morning they start from 6:30 p.m. a.m. Okay, this is not the way. Okay, be punctual, ठीक है, and ask the query in between the time duration mentioned in the class group, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. In this time duration you can ask the questions. Okay, so have a nice day. Try to solve the rest questions.